Students, now we will begin with chapter number 14, which is factorization. In this, we will start with exercise 14.1, question number 1, first one. In first one, we have to find out common factors of the given numbers. So, in first question, the given numbers are 12x and 36. Factors of 12x are 2 into 2 into 3 into x, and factors of 36 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So, common factors between both the numbers will be 2 into 2 into 3, which gives us 12. So, answer will be 12. Next one, 2y and 22x. Factors of 2y will be 2 into y, and factors of 22xy will be 2 into 11 into x into y. Common factors will be 2 into y, which gives us 2y. Third one, 14pq and 28p square q square. Factors of 14pq are 2 into 7 into p into q. And factors of 28p square q square are 2 into 2 into 7 into p into q into q. Common factors will be 2 into 7 into p into q. So answer will be 14pq. Next one, 2x, 3x square and 4. Factors of 2x are 2 into x. Factors of 3x square are 3 into x, and factors of 4 are 2 into 2. As you can see, there are no common factors between all these numbers. So the common factor will be 1. Next one, 6abc, 24ab square, 12a square b. Factors of 6abc are 2 into 3 into a into b into c. Factors of 24a square ab square are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b into b. And factors of 12a square b are 2 into 2 into 3 into a into b. So the common factors will be 2 into 3 into a into b, which gives us 6ab. So 6ab will be the final answer. Next is 16x cube minus 4x square, 32x. Factors of 16x cube are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it means 4 times 2 and 3 times x. Factors of minus 4x square are 2 into minus 2 into x, and factors of 32x are 5 times 2 and x. Common factor will be 4x. Next one, 7th one, 10pq and 20qr and 30rp. Factors of 10pq will be 2 into 5 into p into q. 20qr is equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into q into r, and 30rp is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into r into p. So common factor will be 10. It means 2 into 5. Next one, 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, 6x square y square z. Factors of 3x square y cube will be 3 into x and into y into y into y. Factors of 10x cube y square will be 2 into 5, 3 times x and 2 times y. Factors of 6x square y square z will be 2 into 3, 2 times x, 2 times y and 1 times z. Common factor will be x square, y square. Moving to question number 2. In question number 2, we have a term. This is 7x minus 42. You can see that common between both the numbers is 7. So we will take 7 as common into bracket. If we divide 7x with 7, then we will get x. So we will write x over here. If we divide 42 with 7, then we will get 6. So we will write x minus 6 over here. So final answer will be 7 into bracket x minus 6. Next one, 6p minus 12q. Common number between 6p and 12q is 6. So over here I have written 6. If we divide 6p with 6, we will get p. And if we divide 12q with 6, we will get 2q. So answer will be 6 into bracket p minus 2. Next one, 7a square plus 14a. Common is 7a, and into bracket we will write a plus 2. Next one, minus 16z plus 20z. Common number will be 4z. So into bracket we will have minus 4 plus 5z square. Next one, 20 L square m plus 30 ALM. Common will be 10 LM and into bracket we will write 2L plus 3A. Next one, question number 6. 5x square y minus 15xy square. Common will be 5x square into bracket we will write x minus 3y. Next one, 10a square minus 15b square plus 20c square. Common will be 5 into bracket we will write 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. Next one is minus 4a square plus 4ab minus 4ca. We are taking out common 4a. So into bracket we have minus a plus b minus. Next one, x square yz plus xy square z plus xyz square. So common will be xyz. Into bracket we will have x plus y plus z. Next one, a square plus y plus bxy square plus cxyz. Common will be xy. Into bracket we will write ax plus by plus cz. Question number 3, first one. X square plus xy plus 8x plus 8. Question number 3 is similar to question number 2. In question number 2, we had 2 terms, while in question number 3, we have 4 terms. So what we will do is, we will divide it into 2 parts. It means x square plus xy and 8x plus 8. So we have to find out common number between x square plus xy, which is x. So we will take out common as x and into bracket we will write x plus 1. Now from 8x and 8y we have common 8. So into bracket we will write x plus 1. Remember, both these curves will have same numbers or same variables. So we have 2 terms which is x plus 8 and x plus 1. This will be the answer. Next one, 15xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. Common between 15xy and 6x will be 3x. Into bracket we will write 5y minus 2. Plus, you can see that there is no common number between 5y minus 2. So, we will take 1 as common factor and into bracket we will write 5y minus 2. So, we will have 3x plus 1 and 5y minus 2. Question number 3. ax plus bx minus ay minus by. Common between first 2 variables is x. So, we will have x into bracket a plus b. Next terms ay and by. Remember, we are taking out common as minus y. So, signs for this will change. So, minus y is equal to a plus b. Answer will be x minus y and a plus b. Next term, 15p plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. In this question, we need to arrange terms. It means we are changing places for 9q and 15. So we will write 15pq plus 9q plus 15 plus 25. Common will be 3q. Into bracket we will have 5p plus 3 plus 5 into bracket 3 plus 5p. So we have 3q plus 5 into bracket 5p plus 3. Next question, z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. There is no common term between z minus 7, so we will take out 1 as common. 1 into bracket z minus 7. Now I have changed this side because I need z minus 7 in this bracket also. So minus xy will be the common factor and into bracket we will write z minus 7. Answer will be 1 minus xy into bracket z minus 7.